Hello and welcome to my video on Warren Buffett's 10 advice for young people. Warren Buffett is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth of over $100 billion. His philosophy on investing, business, and life has inspired millions of people around the world, and his advice for young people is especially valuable. Advice 1: Cultivate a strong work ethic. Buffett's first piece of advice for young people is to cultivate a strong work ethic. He believes that hard work is essential for success, and that one must be willing to put in the time and effort to achieve their goals. According to Buffett, without passion, you don't have energy. Without energy, you have nothing. Advice 2: Avoid unnecessary debt. The second piece of advice from Buffett is to avoid unnecessary debt. He recommends living below your means and avoiding high-interest credit card debt, car loans, and other forms of consumer debt. The chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken, says Buffett. Advice 3: Invest in yourself. Buffett's third piece of advice is to invest in yourself. He believes that education and continuous learning are key to personal and professional growth. Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." He recommends reading books, attending conferences, and seeking out mentors to help you grow and learn. Advice 4: Choose the right career. The fourth piece of advice from Buffett is to choose the right career. He believes that young people should pursue careers that they are passionate about and that align with their strengths and values. According to Buffett, in the world of business, the people who are most successful are those who are doing what they love. Advice 5: Focus on long-term goals. Buffett's fifth piece of advice is to focus on long-term goals. He believes that success in investing and business comes from taking a long-term approach and avoiding short-term thinking. He advises young people to be patient, avoid get-rich-quick schemes, and focus on building wealth slowly over time. Advice 6: Learn from failures. The sixth piece of advice from Buffett is to learn from failures. He believes that failure is an essential part of the learning process and that young people should not be afraid to take risks and make mistakes. "I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over," says Buffett. Advice 7: Surround yourself with the right people. Buffett's seventh piece of advice is to surround yourself with the right people. He believes that the people you surround yourself with can have a profound impact on your success and happiness. He advises young people to seek out mentors and friends who are positive, supportive, and who share their values. Advice 8: Be patient. The eighth piece of advice from Buffett is to be patient. He believes that success in investing and business comes from having patience and staying the course, even when things get tough. According to Buffett, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Advice 9: Live a simple life. Buffett's ninth piece of advice is to live a simple life. He believes that material possessions and wealth are not the keys to happiness and that young people should focus on the things that really matter in life, such as relationships, health, and personal growth. Advice 10: Give back. The final piece of advice from Buffett is to give back. He believes that those who have been successful have a responsibility to give back to society and to help those who are less fortunate. He is a strong advocate for philanthropy and believes that, in conclusion, Warren Buffett's 10 advice for young people is a valuable set of principles that can guide individuals towards achieving financial success and personal fulfillment. From cultivating a strong work ethic, to avoiding unnecessary debt, to investing in oneself and in the right opportunities, Buffett's advice offers a roadmap for navigating the complex world of finance and business. By adopting these principles and applying them consistently over time, young people can build a solid foundation for a prosperous and fulfilling life. Remember, the key to success is to stay patient, stay curious, and stay focused on your long-term goals.